Have you ever watched a video or seen a picture online and thought, hang on a minute, is that real? You're not alone! With the rise of artificial intelligence, we're seeing more and more AI-generated media, and it can be tricky to tell what's real and what's not. But don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Once you know what to look for, you'll be a pro at spotting the difference. So, put on your detective hats and let's dive into the world of AI-generated media. We'll learn how to spot the fakes and understand how AI is being used to fight back against this new wave of digital trickery. AI-generated media or synthetic media is any content created or manipulated using artificial intelligence. Think of deepfakes, those videos where someone's face is superimposed onto another person's body. Remember that video that went viral of me singing Baby by Justin Bieber? Fake. It was hilarious, but also a bit unnerving, right? Then there are AI-generated images, which can create photorealistic pictures of people, places, and things that don't even exist. This technology is developing rapidly, and while it has positive applications, think special effects in movies, it also opens the door to potential misuse, like spreading misinformation and creating fake news. But fear not, there are ways to fight back. One of the best ways to spot AI-generated media is to look for inconsistencies. Check for things like unnatural movements or skin textures, weird glitches or distortions, and backgrounds that don't quite look right. Listen closely to the audio too. Does the voice sound robotic or out of sync with the lip movements? That's a big red flag. Another handy tool in your digital detective kit is AI detection software. Yes, you read that right. We can fight fire with fire. There are now tools that use AI algorithms to analyze media and flag potential fakes. These tools are getting more sophisticated all the time and can be really helpful in verifying the authenticity of online content. Now, here's the plot twist. AI isn't just the villain in this story, it's also the hero. Just as AI can be used to create fake media, it can also be used to detect and block it. Cybersecurity companies are now using AI to develop sophisticated systems that can identify and flag potentially harmful deepfakes and other forms of synthetic media. These systems work by analyzing vast amounts of data to learn the telltale signs of AI-generated content. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect these detection and prevention methods to become even more robust. It's a constant game of cat and mouse, but the good news is that the good guys are armed and ready to fight the good fight. So there you have it, a crash course in AI-generated media. Remember, knowledge is power. By being aware of the potential pitfalls and learning how to spot the fakes, we can all help to create a safer and more trustworthy online environment. Now go forth and be vigilant digital detectives. And if you come across any particularly convincing deepfakes, share them with me on Twitter. I'm always up for a good challenge.